In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Sheets in just about 5 minutes. This quick and easy process will help you organize your data efficiently and make your spreadsheet more visually appealing and functional. To get started, open your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one ready, go ahead and create a new one. Once your document is open, look at the top menu bar and you'll find the Insert tab. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu with various options for inserting different elements into your sheet. Next, from the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Pre-built Tables. This feature allows you to quickly add tables to your sheet without having to manually format every aspect, which can be a real time saver. After clicking Pre-built Tables, you'll be presented with an option to either insert a blank table or choose from several templates. If you're not sure which one to pick, don't worry. You can start with a blank table and customize it, or select a template that closely matches your data needs. Once your table is in place, it's time to customize it. This step is all about making the table work for you. Start by renaming the columns. Double-click on any column header, and you'll be able to type in a new name that better describes the data you plan to enter. This is a crucial step for clarity, especially if you'll be sharing the sheet with others or referring back to it later. The next step is setting column types. This means defining what kind of data will be entered under each column. For example, you might have columns that are strictly for text, numbers, or dates. Setting the correct data type helps Google Sheets understand how to handle the data in each column, which can be useful for sorting, filtering, and performing calculations. After you've set your column types, go ahead and start populating the table with data. Just click on a cell and type in your information. If you have a lot of data, consider organizing it in advance so the entry process is smooth and efficient. Now, let's make the table visually appealing. Adjust the appearance by customizing the colors of your cells and applying features like alternating row colors, which improve readability. You can also change font styles and sizes to make important data stand out. Finally, remember that you have the flexibility to manually create and format a table without using a template. This means you can follow the same procedures of inserting rows, styling them, and adding data, entirely on your own for a custom approach to your table's layout and design. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful table in Google Sheets, ready to handle your data efficiently. Feel free to explore additional features and tweaks to suit your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!